Hi team, just want to take you through the process that I used to create this isometric drawing for the solar tracker. There's probably a few ways to do it, but this is the one that I was shown and works pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to create a circle, and the circle is 220 in diameter. Okay, so the radius there is 110. Therefore, the diameter needs to be 220. So you can see that with the padlock, it's locked in shape now. So I'll just press enter there. Now I'm going to make some lines. I'm using my shortcuts and pressing L for line. And going to create a line to the edge, and then a second line out to the edge. Alright, now I'm going to use D for dimension tool. And just click on that line and then come down here, and that's not working. Why is that not working? Try again. Alright, there we go. Now I'll try, so click the right line. Alright, you can see if I click on there, it gives you a degrees, so I want it to be 55 degrees, so that adjusts that automatically. And now I'm going to use the modify tool, and I'm going to trim, and just go click that. Okay, right, now let's clean this up a little bit. So I'm going to bring this dimension tool back in. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, now I need to extrude this possibly now. So if you have a look, it's a 3 mil. Oh, doesn't actually say here. It's 3 mil in dimensions of thickness, but we need to create these shapes first. So you can see that the bit that comes out comes away from the line that comes from the axis. So we need to create, using L, a rectangle that comes out. Now the dimensions for the rectangle coming out are 3 mil, but we can go back and fix that later by 20. Then go to use my dimension tool, clean that up. Alright, 3 mil, and repeat that. So using the line tool, and 3 mil. That's then 20, and finish that off there. Okay, so now we need to get the dimensions right. I'm going to go from here to here, and that has to be 15 mil, so 15. And then readjust this one, that's 20. Right, that pulls that over. There needs to be 40 mil there, so that sounds, now what will happen? Yep, so that moves that over, lovely. And then in theory from here, whoops, nope. From that edge to this edge should be, oops, no, it's not liking that one. That should be 15. Alright, can't be anything else. Okay, yeah, and now what we can do is extrude that. So we click all the bodies, and we're going to extrude that 3 mil. And if we have a home look, there we go. Alright. So, yeah, that's the process. Now, for the cutting out, I'll do a separate video for that one. So I hope that helps.